This is how I clean my desk. This is how I clean my desk, clean my desk, clean my desk. This is how I clean my desk so early in the day. First, I need to take my binder, and on top of that, I will put my notebooks. This will go into my desk on one side. Next, I need to check my basket. Anything that shouldn't be in here should get taken out. For example, I'm not just going to throw this down on the ground. I'm going to make sure I take it over to the trash can and throw it away. Then, I put away any supplies that need to be put away. I'm going to keep my spelling dictionary in my basket with my supplies. Now my basket goes on the other side, opposite of my binder and notebooks. Finally, I want to take a look at my desk and see if it needs to be wiped off. I think I'm going to go get a paper towel, wet it down just a little bit, and wipe down my table. Just a little bit. Now when I squeeze it, it'll spread the water around in there, but I'm not even dripping. That way more of my paper towel is wet. And I can go wipe down my desk. It doesn't leave my desk all wet because it's not soaking wet. It's just enough to get it nice and shiny. I feel so good when everything is clean and shiny. Don't you?